Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to expand your app options and install unique applications on your Android device, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some of the best APK installer apps that make it easy to install various types of APK files, whether they come as split APKs or XAPKs. These tools can help you access apps not always available on the Google Play Store. Let's dive in. SAI Split APKs Installer. SAI Split APKs Installer is a user-friendly app designed to install split APKs, which are a common way to distribute Android applications. It supports both APK and OBB file installations, making it versatile for various types of apps. The app features a simple interface that allows users to easily select and install APK files directly from their device storage. SAI also provides an option for app signature verification, ensuring the installed app matches the original developer's signature. This feature adds an extra layer of security, making it a reliable choice for users looking to install applications that may not be available on the Google Play Store. XAPKS Installer. XAPKS Installer is specifically designed for installing XAPK files, a format that bundles APKs with additional resources like OBB data files. The app simplifies the installation process by automatically detecting and installing both the APK and its associated data, saving users from the hassles of manual installation. XAPKS Installer boasts a straightforward interface and offers features like app backup and management, allowing users to keep their app library organized. It is particularly useful for gamers who often download games requiring additional data, as it automates the setup process for a smooth experience. Split APKs Installer. Split APKs Installer is an efficient tool for users who need to install split APK files on their Android devices. It provides a straightforward way to import and install APKs that are part of a larger bundle, making it easier to handle apps designed with multiple components. The app allows users to browse through files and select specific APKs to install, while also offering a simple verification process to ensure compatibility. With its clean interface and light footprint, Split APKs Installer is a great option for those who frequently download apps from third-party sources. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of APK installer apps helps you find the right tool for managing your app installations. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app tips and tech insights. Which installer app are you looking forward to trying? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.